Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a collar of a polo shirt, or some call it sport shirt. So first up is we will be using this photo from prepic.com, which I will put the link on the description below. Okay, now before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, so let's start. So make sure this photo is locked. So to do that, just click command and 2 or number 2 or control 2 in your keyboard. So now it's locked. Then show this ruler guide. Okay, then click, hold and drag and release to show the guide. Then click control 2 or command 2 to lock the guide. So first up is we will be using our pen tool. So on the center, just click. Oops, don't forget to fill this stroke any color that you like. So me, I'll be using black. Then click and hold the mouse and just to create a curve on the stroke, then release, then click on the edge of that stroke, click once, then click again in this area and in this area, play. Okay, then click and hold to make the stroke curve a little, then release. So now, while on the selection tool, click, hold, shift, alt, option, command, or shift, alt, uh, control, then release, then hit O on the keyboard, then enter, then click vertical, select vertical, then click OK, then adjust this like so. Then while on the direct selection tool, click these two ends of stroke, then connect, and also these two edges on the bottom, then click connect. Now fill with stroke, select white, then while on the selection tool, click and hold, click, shift and option, then release. Then while on direct selection tool, click both ends of this stroke, then cut. Okay, then delete those top part, then remove the fill of this stroke. Again, remove the fill of the stroke, then we will adjust the stroke thickness. So 10 point is okay. So if you're asking what is this for, so this will be for cotton neck tape or self fabric neck tape. Okay, then while selected using the selection tool, click on the object, then expand, Then make sure the fill and stroke are both checked, then click OK. Then just hit the letter I in your keyboard to show the eye drop, then click this part, and then just drag this up. Okay, then now we will create a top stitch inside this neck tape that we have created. To do that, just click object, then path, then offset path, then click preview, then make sure it's -2 point or -2 pt. Okay, then click OK. Then on the stroke, click the dash line, then make sure it's 2.2 point on the dash and the gap, and leave this part alone. Then make sure to click this round, join, corner, and cup. Okay, to make that realistic top stitch. And now we will be putting this inside our collar. So to do that, just click this group and cut, then select color, then in this area just click this draw inside, then command F, oops sorry, then command B. Okay, then adjust, and that's it. And now we will be doing this part of the collar. So we will be hiding this group. To do that is just arrange, right click and click arrange and send to back. Okay, and now again using pen tool, just click this part and this part, then click and click like so. Okay, make sure you follow the shape of our reference color. Okay, then now we will create a ribbing effect. So to do that, just create a straight line outside using this line segment tool. Click, just create a line like so. This length will do. Then duplicate, maybe like this, then another one, then just remove the stroke on this third one, then select all three, then make sure you're on the selection tool, then drag and drop on the brushes anywhere here. Okay, then release, then click the pattern brush, click OK, then click OK. Okay, and now we will create that ribbing look effect inside this part of our collar. Doing that is just select this area, then draw inside, then using a pen pen tool, just create a line, then now select this brush that we have created. Okay, let's make sure it's straight, maybe like so. Okay, then we will adjust the size. Doing so, make sure to show the stroke menu, then 0.5, or maybe 0.75 will do. Okay, then we will apply that on the other part of our collar. Okay, we will just unlock this photo by hitting the alt option 2 or alt command 2, then shift command close open para parenthesis. Okay, or just click the photo, then right click, then arrange send to back. Okay, to show this part, then we will create another ribbing effect inside of this collar. Just create a straight line, then select the color that we have used, then apply the 75 point. Okay, make sure it's under the neck tape. Okay, then I'll just adjust this part, direct selection tool, click the edge of the collar, then we will just oops, now we will lock again this image, then we will just in the selection tool, duplicate and click O and vertical. Okay, then move it like so, and then now we will be moving on our placket area. So just create a rectangle tool in this area of our color. Okay, and move, oops, then right click, then arrange, then bring send backward. Oh, sorry. So just group this area, then send arrange and bring to front. Okay, just move like that, then while on the direct selection tool, select this part and this part and click cut path, then create a oops, I think I did not cut those area. We'll double check again. Okay, just select this area, then create or just hit the I on the keyboard and click this top stitch style. So here we go, then also create another top stitch in this area, then move it a little bit closer on the edge, then direct selection tool, adjust the stitching, then create another one in here. Okay, and lastly we will be creating our two plastic button. Okay, so just create a perfect circle and copy paste, then adjust the size by holding shift and command. Okay, oops, again, copy paste, then oops, I think there's something wrong with my rectangle tool, so we'll just create another small one in this area, then just duplicate that. So we will be creating 4 holes. Okay, select the 4 holes, then group by hitting command G or control G. Then when selected, also click the big circle while holding the shift key, then align and click this horizontal line center and vertical line center to make sure our 4 holes are perfectly centered. Then duplicate, then voila, here is our final color template using Adobe Illustrator. So this is what you call the flat knit collar. Okay, let's adjust this. And there are two types of collar out there. The other one is with the box, X box, what you call that, X top stitch in this area. So just create uh, almost square image there. Oops. Then just create an X like image, copy paste, then click hit O on the keyboard, then enter, then vertical. Okay, perfect. And that's it. There is our final color using Adobe Illustrator. Okay, thanks guys, I hope you like this video, and again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fashion graphic design video tutorials. Thanks guys.